आईएलटीएस में राइटिंग हो या स्पीकिंग, कनेक्टर्स के बिना कोई गति नहीं है। कनेक्टर्स होते क्या हैं? ये वो वर्ड्स हैं जो फ्रेजेस को लिंक करते हैं, आइडियाज को लिंक करते हैं। ये क्या करते हैं? कॉन्ट्रास्ट, कॉज, रिजल्ट, एग्जाम्पल्स देने के काम आते हैं। आपके आइडियाज को बेटर बनाते हैं लॉजिकली। कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स देता हूं कनेक्टर्स के। बिकॉज, हाउएवर, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ऑल्सो, एज अ रिजल्ट। कैटेगरीज होती हैं कनेक्टर्स की। आइडियाज ऐड करने के लिए, एग्जाम्पल देने के लिए, कॉन्ट्रास्ट दिखाने के लिए, रीजन और रिजल्ट के लिए, अपनी स्पीच को ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए। आइडियाज ऐड करने के लिए हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं ऑल्सो, इन एडिशन, मोर ओवर, फर्दर मोर, व्हाट्स मोर। इनकी यूसेज कैसे होती है वो देखते हैं। आई एंजॉय स्विमिंग, ऑल्सो आई लाइक प्लेइंग बैडमिंटन। I study computer science. In addition, I attend workshops on AI. I follow a healthy diet. Moreover, I exercise daily. I volunteer at an NGO. Furthermore, I help organize events. The course is informative. What's more, it's completely free. Examples देने के लिए कौन से connectors use करेंगे? For example, for instance, such as, like, to illustrate. Usage देखते हैं. Many people enjoy fast food. For example, burgers are very popular. I enjoy active hobbies. For instance, I often go rock climbing. I love tropical fruits such as mangoes and pineapples. Some sports, like football, require strong teamwork. To illustrate, my brother spends 2 hours a day reading. Contrast दिखाने के लिए ये phrases का इस्तेमाल होता है but, however, on the other hand, although, even though. इनकी usage. I love horror movies, but my sister hates them. I love horror movies, however, my sister refuses to watch them. I prefer city life. On the other hand, my friend enjoys living in the countryside. Although I don't enjoy cooking, I love watching cooking shows. Even though it was raining, we played football. However and but के ऊपर एक बात याद रखना. However usually starts a new sentence for formal contrast. But is used within the same sentence for a casual contrast. Reason and result के लिए हम use करेंगे because, since, so, therefore, as a result. Cause phrases होती हैं because, since और so. Result phrases या effect phrases होती हैं therefore, as a result. Usage करके देखेंगे. I stayed home because I wasn't feeling well. Since it was raining, we postponed the match. He was late, so he missed the bus. It was getting dark, therefore, we decided to leave early. The weather was bad, as a result, the event was cancelled. अपनी स्पीच को ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए हम यूज करते हैं फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, टू बिगिन विद, देन, आफ्टर दैट, फाइनली. Phrases to start or introduce the first point. Phrases to continue or show sequence. Phrases to end or conclude. Usage देखेंगे. First of all, I'd like to talk about my education. To begin with, I describe my daily routine. I wake up at 6 a.m., then I go jogging. I go to the class. After that, I study in the library. Finally, I return home and relax. इनके आगे मैंने सिंबल्स लगाए हुए हैं. इन सिंबल्स को चेक कीजिए. 1 का सिंबल लगा है, एक डायरेक्शन का सिंबल लगा है, फाइनली का सिंबल लगा है, फ्लैग बना हुआ है. ये फ्रेजेस आपको समझ आ जाएंगी किस तरह से ऑर्गेनाइज की गई हैं. Usage. Describe a time when you were stuck in a traffic jam. अब इसको ना पढ़ना भी है और सुनना भी है, दोनों काम करेंगे. One memorable time when I was stuck in a traffic jam was about 6 months ago on a weekday evening. I had just left my office and was driving home during rush hour. The congestion happened on the main highway that connects the city center to the suburbs. Firstly, I noticed that traffic was unusually slow. At first, I assumed it was just the usual evening rush. However, after a few minutes, I realized that vehicles weren't moving at all. Later, I found out that there had been a minor incident ahead which caused the delay. Meanwhile, I tried to stay calm by listening to music and catching up on some podcasts. For example, I listened to an episode about time management, which actually helped me stay composed. In addition, I replied to a few work messages using voice commands. However, I was getting impatient. I knew I couldn't do much about the situation. Eventually, after about 45 minutes, the traffic began to move slowly, and I finally reached home an hour late. To sum up, I felt quite frustrated at the time because I was tired and hungry. Nevertheless, I tried to stay positive and make good use of the time. It reminded me how unpredictable traffic can be and how important is it to be patient. Tips for using connectors naturally. Don't memorize long lists, practice them in your own sentences, combined with personal examples. Avoid overusing the same connector. प्रैक्टिस के लिए मैंने आपको एक हैंडआउट बना के दिया है, वो हैंडआउट को स्टडी कीजिए। अब मैं आपको उसके आंसर्स दिखाऊंगा। ये 1 से 10 तक आंसर्स हैं, यहां पे वीडियो को स्टॉप करके चेक कर सकते हैं। 11 to 15 तक, 16 to 25 तक। इसके साथ ही ये सेशन होता है खत्म, एंड आई होप दैट यू विल स्टार्ट यूजिंग कनेक्टर्स both in your writing and your speaking. Watch this space for more such videos. Thank you.